Hey everybody, Tom Sparks with Sparks Media Group. In this video, we're going to open the Insta360 Go 3S, your tiny, mighty 4K cam. Insta360 sent me this camera to test out. They sent it for free. They're not paying for this video. They did just send it to me and wanted me to give some reviews on it. So we're going to open it up. It says here 39 grams, 4K video, hands-free POV, magnetic mounting system, mount anywhere. What's in the box is the Insta360 Go 3S, an action pod, charging cable, lens guard, magnet pendant, easy clip, pivot stand, quick start guide, and warranty card. It has FlowState stabilization and horizon lock, 2.2 inch flip touchscreen, remote control and live preview, and it's waterproof to 33 feet or 10 meters. AI power editing. So we'll open this box. Put that there. First thing we're going to come across is this packet. We have the charging cable here. And we'll open this side. We have the quick start guide, some stickers, Go 3S's waterproofing, what to know, some safety guidelines, and a warranty card. I'm going to lift this up. It has the action pod buttons. So it's kind of like a quick start guide. And I'll put that right there for everybody to see. You can pause it if you need to. All right. Please wear this pendant under your shirt with this side facing outward. So here's the pendant that you would wear. And you can roll it up and make it as short as you need. It's pretty cool. Just rolls back in here, kind of like a yo-yo in a way. This is a cover. I believe they called this the... I don't know, it's kind of like a cover of some sort. Maybe an adhesive mount. Okay. Used for this. Oh, this is the pivot stand. So that's the mount for the pivot stand. So you can attach it right here. This is a clip. And just kind of clips on. Easy clip is what they call it. And then here's the camera with the action pod. So you have a USB-C right here. You press this button in to remove this. It's held on with some sort of magnet. It says, please remove the sticker before use. The back of the cam dissipates heat. So this is the actual camera right here. Pretty tiny. And then this is the mount pod, and it kind of just magnetically suctions into place, which is cool. There's a screen here that you can flip all the way up. What's interesting is, at least for right now, I'm not seeing where to put the memory card. And I'm going to assume it's covered in the quick start guide. Maybe there's internal memory. That's not covered in there, but we will figure that out. So yeah, here we have it. The Insta360 Go 3S. I will start making some videos with this and post them. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching.